How to create a sales funnel for affiliate marketing step by step. So for this video, I'll be using products from ClickBank. So go ahead and open your desktop browser. Go to clickbank.com. This is a free tool that we can use to find and choose a product. Now, you may already have a product in mind, but if ever you're starting from scratch, here are the categories which you can choose from. You have everything from arts, business, computers, mobile products, and a lot more. So just choose from here. In my case, I will be selecting games. Once it is loaded, you will then be presented with the products that you can choose. It's Gravity Score, which represents the number of affiliates who have made a sale in the past 12 weeks. In essence, it gives you an insight on how well a product is selling and how many other affiliates are promoting it. Besides that is the average score, which displays the amount that you can get when someone buys the product. Now, we can do the sales funnel for free using this site called System.io. This is a free business platform to build sales funnels and also run affiliate programs, send unlimited emails, and sell physical products. All the features you'll ever need to launch and sell your online business. So, here in System.io, as you can see, you can sign up completely for free, and it is displayed here that there are no credit cards required. Although there are some features that you can only get when you're subscribed to their plans, this video will only use features that are available to free users. So just sign up using your email, and once you're logged in, your homepage or your dashboard will look like this. And what we need to do is to go to the funnels tab. It is here between the contacts and emails tab. As you can see, I already have one, but I have to make a new funnel. So click here on the create button. From here, you need to input some information like the name. So let's just put affiliate funnel here. Next to that is the funnel domain. This will be your username followed by the system.io. You can choose and customize your funnel's domain at any stage. However, if you want to add customized links to your funnel, you will need to connect a custom domain name in your account settings beforehand. So we will not get into that in this video. Next step is to build an audience and choose the currency. Select US dollars or whatever the currency is in your country. After this, you can click on save, wait for it to load, and your funnel will then be saved. Now click on it, and here we can start editing and designing how our funnels work. If you want to work faster, just choose from the templates here. You can preview sample if you want to look more into some samples. And if you decided on what to use, just hover on the template and then click on the start button. So in my case, I'll just choose a simple for this one. Here we need to name the page, so I'll just copy the name of the product that I chose in ClickBank. After this, click on the edit icon to edit the funnel page. This will be the landing page of our funnel page, and here you can edit every single element that will be on your landing page. From the spacing and margin, you can adjust each corner. You can also add a background color if that's what you want on your layout. Now this one on the very back is an image which you can change as well. So make sure to click on that image, and then from here you can remove the image and upload another one that you like. Just make sure that you will upload image and edit the theme of your site aligned to your product. If you're selling fitness products, then let that be the theme of your page. In my case, it's a game, so I'll lean into more computers and gaming features. So basically, just choose an image to upload, press insert, and as you can see, it is now the background of the page. You can use these editing tools to adjust the size, its placing, and some effects. After that, you can edit the text in the page. Again, just align this to the product that we choose. I'll just edit the title. Here you can edit its font, format, its background color, and if ever you want to add a hyperlink to your text. On the left panel, you can edit the font style, the font size, the spacing, and a lot more. Just finalize your design, and once you're done, the next thing that we will do is to edit the submit button. Select the button and make sure that this action when button is clicked is set to submit form. It is here on the do you want to redirect users after contact registration. Set it to a custom URL. This is where we will paste in the link of the affiliate link. Now, to get the link from ClickBank, just click on promote, input a nickname, select create hop link, and then copy the link from there. Once you are done, click on Save Changes and then click on the eye icon to preview the current look of your site or your landing page as a normal consumer. So this is how it looks like, and once you're satisfied with this, we'll proceed to the next step. We don't need a thank you page for affiliate links, so we can click on the three dots button to remove it. After this, we need to set up the email autoresponder. So go to the emails tab and select campaigns. Here we need to create another campaign, name it as well, and here we will just create an email. So input the subject, the sender, and usually the products in ClickBank have the template for such emails already. So to access it, click on the affiliate page, find the email, and then simply download it. Save this title, and here we can now paste in the template from ClickBank. You can just customize it and add some personal take and more advertising. Here, make sure to put the link of the product since we are telling people about the product. Highlight the sentence, click on the hyperlink icon, and then paste in the link of the product. Make sure that it is from your own promote link. After editing the email, click on Save and Publish. Here, just set your own account. You can also set a delay before sending the email. Now, the final step is to go back to the funnel tab. Click on the affiliate funnel that we did a while ago. In this page, proceed to the automation rules. And then click on this automation. And then click on rules. Tap on the create button and then click on the plus icon beside the trigger. Choose funnel step from subscribe. Now choose the funnel that we created. In the funnel step, click squeeze page. And then after this, after a user subscribe and enter the details in our homepage, the action that we want is to subscribe to the campaign. And again, choose the funnel that we created a while ago. And then click on save rule. And that is how to do it. Once a user enter their information here on the input box, you will be directed to the product page. And to see if the System.io recognized you as a subscriber that they will send an email to, click on the emails on the System.io and then campaign. As you can see, it has now one email count and it will just automatically send the email based on the time that you set. That is how to create a sales funnel for affiliate marketing step by step. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.